Alright, so we just got back from big adventures, picking up my 2022 Native Slayer Max. Looking forward to getting it all rigged up. We were able to get to see the store there as well as the factory, and I'll tell you, it's an impressive area. If you ever get a chance to go out there, talk to the team beforehand, see if you can get a tour, but nonetheless, go check out the store. You'll get to see a lot of what's featured in there in this upcoming video. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to drop them in the comments and let me know what you think.